Imagine waking up every day knowing that you are building wealth, even with just $100. That's right, $100. A small amount, but with the right mindset, strategy, and knowledge, it can be the first step toward financial freedom. You might think $100 isn't enough to make a dent in the stock market. But trust me, this is the moment when most people fail. They don't take action. They wait for the perfect time. And by the time they get around to it, they've missed out on years of growth. You are here today, watching this video, ready to change that. So let's dive into how you can turn $100 into the start of your wealth building journey. 1. Understanding the stock market. First, let's talk about the stock market. Picture it like a giant marketplace where buyers and sellers exchange shares of companies. When you buy a share, you own a small piece of that company. This means if the company grows, so does your investment. Think about it. Would you rather invest in something that could grow over time, or just leave your money sitting idle in a bank account earning a fraction of a percent? I know, you're thinking, but how do I pick the right stocks? We'll get to that in a minute. Hang tight. You're here because you want your money to grow, and investing in stocks is one of the most powerful ways to do that. But understanding the market is crucial. Stocks can go up and down, and that's where many beginners get scared and pull out too early. But remember, the stock market is a long-term game. Patience is your best friend. 2. Why $100 is enough to start investing. Let's talk about your $100. You might think it's not enough, but that's exactly why it's the perfect amount to start with. This is your training wheels. With $100, you can practice, learn, and build confidence without risking large amounts of money. And here's the exciting part. Thanks to something called compound interest, even a small amount like $100 can grow exponentially over time. So what's the magic word? Patience. If you're still thinking, it's only $100, what can it really do? Well, what if I told you that's the exact mindset that holds most people back from ever starting? Let's get over that fear together. 3. The power of fractional shares. You've probably heard that you need thousands of dollars to get started in the stock market, but that's not true anymore. Thanks to fractional shares, you can invest with as little as $1. Fractional shares allow you to buy a portion of a high-priced stock, like Amazon or Tesla, without needing to shell out hundreds or thousands of dollars. $100? That's plenty to get started in these big players. And speaking of stocks, let's jump into the next step, where we'll help you pick the right ones, so you're not just throwing your money into anything. 4. Choosing stocks for beginners. Now you might be wondering, how do I pick the right stocks? The answer? Start simple. Don't chase the hot trends or aim for stocks that you've heard are the next big thing. Instead, start with well-established companies. Think of names you use daily, like Apple, Google, or Microsoft. These companies have a proven track record, and investing in them is like buying a share in a stable, thriving business. I know. But what about all those shiny new startups? Yes, you can take risks later. But in the beginning, keep it safe. It's like learning to ride a bike. Don't try stunts just yet. 5. ETFs and index funds. One of the best ways to start investing with $100 is through ETFs, exchange-traded funds, or index funds. These funds pool money from many investors to buy a basket of stocks, so you're investing in multiple companies at once. This reduces risk because you're not betting on a single stock. And the best part? Many ETFs and index funds have very low fees, meaning more of your money is working for you. 6. Risk management. Don't bet the farm. Let's talk about risk, because investing is risky. The truth is, no matter what anyone tells you, stocks can go down as well as up. But here's the key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is your defense against risk. With your $100, you should split it between a few stocks or ETFs. Maybe $40 in one, $30 in another, and the rest in an index fund. The more you spread it out, the safer you'll be. I know it's tempting to go all in on that one stock you're sure will make you rich, but take a breath. This is a marathon, not a sprint. 7. Dollar cost averaging, the secret weapon. Here's where the magic happens. Dollar cost averaging. Instead of trying to time the market, something that even the pros struggle with, you invest a set amount regularly, no matter what the market is doing. This strategy helps you buy more shares when prices are low and fewer when prices are high. Over time, this evens out your cost and minimizes the risk of making poor investment decisions based on market noise. 8. Reinvest your dividends. When your investments start paying you dividends, don't cash them out, reinvest them. This accelerates your wealth building. You're basically using your money to make more money, and the compounding effect is powerful. It's like planting a tree today that will grow bigger and stronger tomorrow. 9. Keep learning and stay patient. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is thinking they know it all after one or two successful trades. The truth? This is a lifelong learning process. Continue to read, follow financial news, and adjust your strategy as you grow. You're playing the long game, and the more you educate yourself, the more confident you'll become. 10. Patience. Let time work its magic. I know it's tempting to look at your account every day, checking for changes. But the real power of investing comes from time. The longer you leave your money to grow, the more powerful it becomes. Patience is your most valuable ally in this journey. Let your investments work for you, even while you sleep. By starting today with just $100, you've taken the first step toward a wealthier future. But this journey is just getting started. If you want to dive deeper into the mindset and habits that will make you truly rich, don't miss my next video. After I read 40 books on money, here's what will make you rich. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment with the next topic you'd like me to cover. Remember, it's never too early to start investing in your future. So start today and watch your money grow.